Today, we're going to embark on an intriguing journey into the captivating world of military drones. Buckle up, because we're about to take off and explore what sets these remarkable machines apart from the rest. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for an exhilarating ride. Firstly, let's delve into the realm of size. Military drones are significantly larger than your typical recreational models, with some even rivaling the size of a small airplane. This hefty build allows them to carry a payload that would be unthinkable in a personal drone. As you can imagine, this added weight and power puts a whole new spin on their capabilities. But why do military drones require such firepower? Well, it all comes down to their intended purpose: to cause harm in ways that are far more consequential than a backyard flipping contest ever could. This chilling reality underscores the seriousness of their role and the potential danger they pose. So there you have it, folks, a brief but enlightening glimpse into the world of military drones. Although we've only scratched the surface here, I hope this has sparked your curiosity and given you a deeper understanding of these powerful machines. Stay tuned for more intriguing discussions on technology and defense in our upcoming videos. I want to thank you for joining me on this journey today. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content just like this one. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.